I remember back in high school thinking how annoying it was in shop class that I had to stop what I was doing at my station, take everything over to the drill press, do everything that I needed there, and then take it all back. And I remember thinking that it would just be so much easier if I had a mini drill press that I could take to my station or just about anywhere else. And thanks to the Grobet USA Benchtop drill press by Penn Tool Company, I can now do that. It's made out of high quality materials, including a die cast work surface, and it's adjustable up to 8 inches. Just like the larger floor drill presses, this benchtop drill press features a Jacobs chuck spindle that accommodates a drill shank up to 6.5 millimeters. This mini drill press offers excellent control and has infinitely variable speeds in 3 ranges: low, medium, and high.